All right. We created VBA programs. We created a program to add two numbers. From our initial narrative, we input first number, input second number, add first and second number, display total. Then we created a VBA program. We created two, in fact, a very simple one and then a more elaborate form. But you know what we forgot to do as a programmer? We forgot to put our programming on a programmer's name, date, description, the comments for a programmer. We forgot to do that. How could we do that? So let's quickly go back into our programs here and let's change it up. Developer design mode. Click on the button and after private sub, press enter. Put a single quote, there's like an apostrophe, and name, programmer name would be you, right? So your name goes here. So this is me here, so this is Miss Lutchman. And quote again, what we want, date, the date this was made, right? And the last thing is description. What does my program do? What does it do? It adds two numbers using an Excel form. Nice. And let me just copy and paste this here and put this there. What does this program do? This one clears the contents of the Excel form. All right, we fixed that. Let's save. Let me get back the first one. Right, design mode. I wonder if I could, and we have to do the same thing here. Programmer name. Well, your name, right? So I'm putting my name, the date, and description. What does this do? Spelled description wrong. I'll fix that just now. This one adds two numbers. Adds two numbers. That's enough. This description. Right. There we go. And save. And now, whew, we are done as programmers. We have completed it. Put it our stamp in our program. All right. Let me see your programs.